Hi and welcome back to my channel. We all want to be faster, smarter and more creative, but sometimes we don't know how. Lack of energy, or we don't know even how to do it. But did you know that there are 5 surprising ways, very simple way to unlock the hidden potential of your brain? Let's discover these 5 steps together. Stay with me. First, daydreaming. You might think that daydreaming or letting your mind wander is a waste of time, but it turns out that daydreaming have a power to boost your creativity and problem-solving skill. When you let your mind drift, you can connect the ideas in a different way, sparking creativity. Next time, when you're stuck on a problem, just take a break. Daydream, and you might be surprised that you find suddenly the solution to your problem. Choose a corner in your home or an object that can be used as your muse. Whenever you're stuck on a problem, just use that object or that corner and try to daydream. I use a coffee mug, a green colored coffee mug, whenever I want to be more creative. That's my muse, and it always works. Second one, multitasking. I know multitasking gets a bad rap. However, did you know that if you do that mindfully, it improves your efficiency and creativity? When you're doing something, the key is to focus on what you're doing. For instance, if you're answering an email, just focus on what you're doing instead of thinking about the next task that is completely unrelated and you have to do it immediately after. If you're like me, someone who write down to-do list every day, just try to set together the same tasks that are related to each other, finish them, take a break, dream, and then start with the next set of tasks to be done. Next is the power of saying no. It sounds easy, but saying no is always difficult, especially when it comes to friends, families, and loved ones. The power of no gives you lots of mental energy, and you always can find a very polite, kind, and nice way to say no to non-essential tasks that you were asked to do. Next time someone asks you a non-essential task, try to say no, and you will see that this no can improve your mental energy to be aligned more with your values and goals. Remember, saying no to non-essential tasks that are not important is saying yes to yourself and to your values. Digital activity. Digital activities are really tiring for your brain. When you detox from digital activities, your brain will thank you, because you enhance power of your brain, your energy, and rejuvenating your brain. Digital activities provides you with thousands of information that are not aligned with your values. Lots of those information, I can say 99% of those information, are absolutely not processed by your brain and are useless and not aligned with your values. Next time when you take a digital detox, you will see that your brain will thank you. Find another activity like walking, reading books, or like me, sit and knit. Yes, knitting. Knitting may sound like a very feminine activity. However, did you know that during the Second World War, partisans, they were passing information through the knitting and using the language of Morse, and those information were never discovered, and actually no one could decipher them. Next, the science of sleep optimization. Good sleep is crucial for cognitive function and health of your brain. By sleeping well, you can help your brain to enhance the memory and be more creative. Teach your body to send this message to your brain that is a time to rest. Set up a specific time for yourself as a habit to go to bed. You will see that it can help you to wake up in a better mood and to be more creative. When you go to bed, avoid digital activities. Digital activities perhaps makes your eyes tired and you think that you fall asleep better. However, don't forget that those information are during the sleep processed by your brain, and you never can sleep deeply by digital activities. Instead, dream. Dreaming will help you to sleep better and more profoundly, and you will wake up much more fresh with a better memory, and you will see that it enhances your creativity and your energy. Thank you for being here with me. And remember, these 5 very simple steps can help you to unlock the hidden potential of your brain. Try to incorporate them in your daily habits, and you will see that you will reach to a very, very surprising results. Remember, small step can lead to very important results. Please like the video, share it, and subscribe to my channel for more tips. Until next time, keep discovering and exploring the potential of your brain. Thank you, and bye for now.